What's going on, YouTubers? It is Friday. Last of the dividends for the weekly high-risk portfolio dropped in this morning. Let's take a look at some of the results. COIW, top performer, 72%. PLTW, 72%, but it was just a little bit under. I don't have the numbers. YMAG, 68% distribution. These are our three top performers in the portfolio. Let's take a look at the numbers. We started the week off with $16,932 invested. I know for some of you that have been watching, I have not reinvested into this portfolio in 4 weeks. We're going to today. Let's take a look. QQQY, this one came in at 38% distribution, $5.47 received. QDTE, this one came in at 34% distribution. We got $1.89. See if I don't mess up the math on this. QDTY, this one came in at 22% distribution, $1.36 received. WDTE, this one came in at 31% distribution, $3.29 popped into the account. XDTE, 29% distribution, $78. Our lowest performer, our trending lowest performer, SDTY, only 18% distribution. Boo. This one has been struggling, giving us just over $1. IWMY, 51% distribution, $6.90 coming into the account. RDTE, 46% distribution, $2.46. Trying not to mess up the math. RDTY, this one came in at 44% distribution, $2.73 received. YBTC, 56% distribution, $4.20 coming into the account, and I messed that up. No, I think I messed up my math already. YieldMax came in at 68% distribution, $4.41 added. YMAG came in at 68% distribution. $4.88. Yahoo's off by a penny on a lot of these. Let's FN go. 62% distribution, $7.31. What we got up? GPTY, 35% distribution, $2.25. NVDW, 50% distribution, out frickin' standing, $4.02 coming into the account. NVII, this one came in at 40% distribution, $2.75 coming in. TSLW, 58% distribution, $3.50. Let's go. TSII, this one came in at 51% distribution, $3.05 coming into the account. AAPW, 57% distribution, $3.18. Our top performer, COIW, 72% distribution, $8.51 coming into the account. COII, 42% distribution, $3.82. PLTW, 72% distribution, giving us $7 and just over a quarter into the portfolio. Wow, Magnificent 7. This one came in at 34% distribution, $2.25 received. Let's see, MST, this one came in at 60% distribution, $3.75. What else we got? MSII, this one came in at 50% distribution, $3.17. USOY, 56% distribution, pretty damn good, $26. and 42 pennies. Yahoo's off quite a bit on that one. YETH, our last one on the list, came in at 64% distribution. This one gave us $40.39, giving us 162 bucks that we received this week from just distributions, dividends. That gave us 49% distribution rate for our portfolio. We're going to take some of that money and we're going to buy IWMY. We're going to work on the dollar cost average for IWMY. So we're looking at 6 more that we're going to buy this morning once the market opens, because our total gains unrealized is looking pretty nasty at negative 27%. Right now, I'm paying myself. I'm in the hole on this one. It's been sitting at 20 something for a little while, so I think it's leveled out finally. So unfortunately, I bought this last year when it was higher, and I think now Defiance is starting to figure it out. They're starting to try to maintain NAV, because if NAV keeps diving, the decay keeps dying, you're losing customers, right? Who wants to invest in something that just keeps decaying month after month? I don't know. Maybe nobody? I'm guessing nobody. All right, let's take a look at some of the numbers. The distribution rate on the weekly. Yeah, my face is in the way again. I think I did this last time. Yeah, here we go. Week 30. Looking at Defiance, Roundhill, and YieldMax, comparing the Nasdaq 100 to see who's giving us the best distribution weight. Defiance, they're always giving the highest distribution. Maybe that's why their NAV decay is hurting so much. Defiance, Roundhill, and YieldMax for the S&P 500. Defiance giving out the best distribution again. YieldMax is struggling. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row. SDTY has been the lowest performer in the portfolio for 5 weeks in a row. Not even breaking 20% distribution. Not sure I'll be buying too many of those. That might be the very last one I buy while I build this portfolio to 100K. The Russell 2000 small cap, Defiance, giving out the most money for distributions. Let's take a look at Roundhill and Rex, the NVDA comparison. Roundhill beat out Rex by 10% distribution. Roundhill and Rex for Tesla. Roundhill's giving out the most distribution. That's awesome. Roundhill and Rex for Coin. Roundhill was our top performer this week, and they gave out way more money than Rex did when it comes to the distributions for those two. And our last one, Defiance and Rex MSTR. Defiance handing out more money than Rex. There's one more. Roundhill is coming out with their version of MSTR for a weekly, so I didn't want to manage a whole bunch more tickers because there's a lot out there compared to the beginning of the year. Back in the beginning of the year, there was only 9 tickers. I tried to buy every single one as they came out. I'm up to 27 right now, and I lost count. I think there's like, I don't know, close to 50. But we might have to buy Roundhill's MSTR. Thinking about it. If so, I'll buy it next week. That way I can get in on the first distribution. All right, I think that's all I got. Figuring out my lighting in here. I gotta do some painting and decorating. It's coming along though. We'll see you next week.